Alright, next stop on my ventures is to my Auntie Rashida, my dad's second, I want to say second oldest in his siblings, but this is their house. Very nice, not in Closell, they live about a 5-minute drive if that from there, but yeah, let's check this one out. So you can see they have a very nice front patio. So nice little whip, nice little German whip. Go around, welcome to my garden. This side. Also have the kitchen and there's the upstairs to go to the upstairs. And basically that is converted into bottom and top again. They tend to do that with the parents living below and Nusa, the daughter, living above with his wife and kids. So, you can see, very fresh, very nice. Got one room here. Coming around through to the living room. The rest of those brain. Don't interrupt that. Go through the corridor. Nice little decorations into the dining area with the kitchen. Just through here. You can see an efficient use of space that tails on out to there. As we come up, we go along, we have the bathroom and the washroom. So this is the shower, sink, toilet. Another little nice seating area and another seating area to head out to the front. So obviously that used to be the garage which they've converted. And then as we go upstairs, you can probably already hear Ayana calling. We come around and this is my Auntie Rashida, so she's a seamstress. So this is where she does her little work, but she's part retired now. And this is hello Anna, are you okay?
Yes, I'm doing my homework right now.
Nice, keep going. I'll talk to you later. And then out here we have the nice little.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Their nice little conservatory, that's the word. And there's Peanut. Hello Peanut. You okay Peanut? Came on my shoulder the other day, didn't you? Yeah. Yeah, but they're doing alright, aren't you? And then if we keep going through, we have our first room. We have the bathroom, which is sink, the shower, toilet. And then we have going through here. We have the one room. We have the dining room. Okay. Really nicely sorted. And then this is Ayana's room. So I'm sure she will want to show me properly at some point. And then finally, we'll go through here and we'll get to the kitchen. And there's the kitchen area. Nusa. That's Nusa, that's my cousin. And no, I'm taking this as a vlog for people to see. Yeah, so that's their house and I'll have a little chat with Nusa and Ayana later.